Racing truck. Sorry, about these.
Right. So we here at the garage working on Woody's service truck. These don't look too bad, but we're gonna go ahead and replace them anyway. He bought like 2 brands of spot products. Oh, okay, yeah. These are the ones you use on the racing truck. How much were these?
$20.
Oh, that's not bad.
$28.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what needs to go on this damn thing.
Yeah,
hell yeah.
$28.
Oh yeah, but that spark plug don't look too bad, but we're gonna go ahead and replace them.
But also they ultra lights. I don't really fucking ultra lights.
I don't know. I'd be like spark plug, as long as they got like MGK or
or
Boss. Other than that,
you got service that you got.
Yeah, the only reason why he called me the other day was for pallets. How was that?
Yeah. So that's one going back in. So that's not too bad. Let me get this spark plug wired out.
Yeah, let me get that.
Yep. Yeah. Just in case you want to add a little bit more on there. That is different.
Oh, that's cool. You learn to be lazy after a while.
That one don't look too bad either. Look at the last one we took out. Okay. What'd you do with the other one? You just took it. Oh, okay. Whoa. Yeah, my dumbness. Forgot you were just driving this thing. See, guys, it don't look like it's that bad, but we still gonna go and replace them because of the misfire. Here you go. Oh. Yeah. It's only fun when it's out the vehicle. When it's not in the goddamn vehicle, screw that. Doug, so how much do you think horsepower I'm gonna lose off of not getting long tube headers? Everybody says it's like 12 you lose, 12 horsepower you lose or whatever. Man, that's what I'm wondering. Cause I'm thinking about just running the stock, the stock header things right that you got. I mean, cause the way I heard, the long tubes are going up. Long tubes are definitely going up, and they want like almost. I guess for the good shit, it's like 1500. But people use these headers anyway for like turbos and stuff, for the cheap way. Right there. No, I'm like, whatever. I'm just like, yeah, whatever. I'm like, at the end of the day, I ain't really worried about it. I'm trying to make it work for me, get shit done.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
You know how people are, man.
Also, you're not, what's it called?
Right.
You're not fucking going balls deep in the racing.
Right. Yeah, you're right, because a real, actually good racing motor costs like, you're going to pay some good money for it. Especially when you start going down that goddamn track. See, you was talking to the guy last summer, I don't know, 2 summers ago. And they was telling you about the motors and shit they got, and how much they was spending. And I was like, jeez. And just like the other guy I was talking to when I was in PG County. I said, how much you got tied up in this motor? They're like, if I told you, you wouldn't believe what? $45,000. Fuck. He said, I spent 18 just on the block. We ain't talked about nothing yet, but nothing else in it yet.
I mean, I can believe it now.
Yeah. But back then, you probably was like me, like, I don't believe that shit.
Ah, you fucking hillbilly bitch.
Shit hot.
Yes, that bitch is hot.
Hot like fire. You put it on the other side of you, or underneath you. So one side is officially done. So we're just trying to clear up this like this, straight up like this misfire that is giving off. Hopefully this should do it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this spark plug wires.
Amazon.
Yep. I need to go ahead and order a big bundle from Amazon, everything. I got the water pump right now on sale.
I ain't get.
I ain't getting none of that shit. I had to stop. I started to concentrate on paying bills and doing other shit.
Too bad.
Man. I said they all coming back not too bad, but yeah.
Alright, you got the other ones.
Yeah, because where I was at, where I'm standing at from right here, you can see it.
There it is, exactly. I can feel it. There's it going here. Harbor Freight.
Yeah, of course. That's the best thing I came across. That could be a Sears person. Anybody know me? Sears all day. That's for all my old school friends.
Motherfucker.
What's up?
That whole thing came out. Fucking
Rubber piece. Take it out to squeeze it out. Come for.
that's all I care.
That's all I care too. You know I've been at this garage for almost like 4 years now. Yo, that time went by quick.
Alright, let me get this down.
So pretty much. They all look like this, but they don't look too bad. Hold up, is that the right one? And another go-kart too?
Easy for what it
That's
is.
funny as hell that I just said that. That's how I first met your ass. Well, then, we never got that race with you and Mappo. Never got that race.
What race between
You and Mappo for the race. For the lawnmower versus the go-kart.
No, you would have won.
Lawnmower versus the go-kart. And then I didn't know this nigga was over here buying race motors and shit. Mappo, he was trying to buy race motors and shit. Over here buying this motor and that motor.
I'm on the next one now.
Oh yeah, spark plugs in, we get spark plug wires, should be good to go. Let's check, see if we got this misfire from here. Yeah, good. Spark plug wires next. There we go. Further back.
Okay.
Cool time.
I see it.
I'm like always good for like the first three, and then you get towards that back, and I'm like, screw this shit. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to the group after fucking Morgan and Manny shit.
I don't know either. We all like went our separate ways. Well, I guess he wanted to be around, his people, his car people.
I'm not that fascinated about cars that much. Going to car shows all the damn time.
I only go to certain ones, honestly. Like, I like going like the SEMA stuff, stuff that you like. I like to see the new product stuff that's coming out. I'm so curious to find out more about this LT now. Since me in the new generation, LTs and not real LSs no more. Alright, so we got everything. Okay. So that's a lot more calmer. Again, okay? You can point at the damn leak again. There it is. That's what you gotta really clear is that this just settle and jerk.
You can still feel it.
Yeah.
It might be.
Man, oh man. So this is Woody's work service truck. Woo! Man, the come up is real. That's what I'm talking about. 2021, all my brothers eating. Right. So, for all y'all been wondering what he been up to, he is now a roadside assistant tech. This is the new truck he just brought. Man, oh man. Let me give a shout out for his number real quick. So if you guys need roadside service and you here in Maryland, hit him up. He does brakes, oil changes, tune up, and more. So, yeah.